Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. Fitted in conjunction with your cooktop is a 12-volt range hood with LED light. The range hood is perfect for extracting the steam and also those smells whilst cooking in your caravan.
So very simple operation with our range hood. So to turn the light on the left-hand side, we've got a sliding scale. So swipe your finger along this sliding scale as it lights up, and this will either dim or brighten the light. And the same for the fan on the right-hand side. So the higher you want the fan, the higher up the sliding scale you go.
And that's how easy it is to operate your range hood. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.